the Odyssey of the Seas room tour. As you enter the room, there is one closet here. Let's take a look. This one is a big closet. It will take most of your stuff. And right here, there's a beautiful couch to lounge around and to watch TV. And then around here, there's a beautiful mirror for you ladies to get ready. And on this side, there is a desk you can work, and also you can sit here and put your makeup on. Here again, there's another desk who have a bunch of drawers for you people to put your clothes. And on this one is the mini refrigerator. And I think this refrigerator only keep things cool. And when you turn to the side is a second closet where the safe is to put your valuables. And this closet is a little bit smaller. And on the bottom of the closet, there is 2 drawers, very deep, a lot of space in those 2 drawers. And then look at this big bed, beautiful. And there's 2 lamps on the side. There's the phone here. Now I'm looking for an outlet. I haven't seen one yet. Or that will be on this side of the bed. It seems like that's the only one I see here. Maybe later when I look for another one. And as you can see, this is an ocean view balcony. So let me take you outside to see the view. Look at that. This is the apex looking at me, and then this is my ride. Next month I'll be on the apex. And let's take a look at this beautiful view of Miami. Let's take a look at the bathroom. This is a very big shower. And the toilet. And the vanity and the sink. Much more spacious than the Oasis.